Doing assessments in MCIS. First, you need to log into your MCIS account and make sure you follow the directions that I have posted on the website to remind you of what your username and password should be. Hopefully you followed the protocol. If you have trouble getting logged into MCIS, you're going to have to come and see me so that I can help you with your username and possibly reset your password. Now, you should have done at least one assessment in Ramp Up before taking career exploration, but if you didn't, I'm going to show you what ones you need to do. If you'd like to see what you have already completed, if you go to My Portfolio, Sort and Assessment Results, you'll be able to see on the left-hand side things that you've completed and saved. So it'll list those that you've done here. So there's could be some different options. You've probably done the skills one for sure, and possibly the career cluster inventory in Ramp Up. Now it's possible to redo those if you want. If you'd like to redo them just so you have a more accurate up-to-date, the first thing you want to do is you want to delete what you've already done. So what you would do is you would select the assessment, it shows right here, and to delete it you simply click on the recycle bin and then select delete, and then it is gone. So now you see that one doesn't show up on mine. Alright, now next we want to go to assessments. The 4 assessments that you're going to be doing for careers are the Career Cluster Inventory, the Interest Profiler, Skills, and Work Importance Locator. So any of those 4 that you have not completed, that's what you need to do. And like I said, you can redo the other ones, but if you do redo, please make sure you delete the old so it doesn't skew your results. Now just a quick look at how you do these. The Career Cluster Inventory is going to give you, make sure you read the directions, take your time. Your responses are for each one of the items that they're going to give you. There's going to be 80 activities they're going to list. You're going to say you like it very much, like, not sure, or dislike. The more you put not sure, the less accurate your results are going to be. So really think about each thing and decide. Would I like it? Would I like it a lot? Or would I not really like it? And I would encourage you to not very much select not sure. The next one is Interest Profiler. Now make sure you don't do the short form. We want to do, or actually we're going to do the short form, excuse me. This is a new one posted, and I like this one better because it gives you more options, and so your results are going to be better. So select the Interest Profiler short form. And you see here it gives you more options. Again, it's going to give you a list of activities, and again you're going to put that you would strongly like it, dislike, or strongly dislike. Again, be very careful not to do very much unsure. One thing to take note in the directions for all these, it says your results will be saved automatically when you reach the results page. To add personal comments, click the save option. If you need to log off before rating all the activities, be sure and save what you've completed. I think it's good just to make sure to hit the save anyway and put a comment in, because I have had students who it doesn't save sometimes, and so that way you know it's saved. Next is the skills one. Now this one I know you did already do. The way you do that one is we're going to select skills. So if you missed it in Ramp Up or you want to redo it, this is how you do this one. You're going to pick very satisfying skills, moderately satisfying, and somewhat satisfying. You will find you will get the best results if you at least fill in most of the very satisfying and moderately satisfying. If you don't get to somewhat satisfying, that's okay. But again, you want to really think about these if you're going to get accurate results. Now, if you aren't sure what a word means, like synthesizing, if you simply grab that term, drag it down in this question box, it will tell you, what does synthesizing mean? Well, it means reorganizing information to get a better approach to problems. So again, as you look through these, you want to be very certain that you understand what they all mean and pick the 5 that are going to be the most enjoyable for you or most important, and next 10. And if you want to get a few in here, that's good as well, but don't feel like you have to fill all of these. Okay? And the fourth and final assessment that you're going to do is the work importance locator. In this one, you're going to place cards. And when you place these cards, it's going to give you a statement, a work value. I make use of my abilities. You're going to grab a hold of that card. You're going to click on that card and select where you want it to go. Is it on a scale of 1 to 5 most important to you or least important? And then for every card, you're going to select where you would put that. Now you're going to find after a while that maybe you've got all these full, and then you find another one you're like, oh, I would really like that. That one really is more important to me than this one. Well, all you need to do then is if you select this card again, it pops it back up there so you can put it somewhere else. And again, you want to keep working at these and arranging them till you feel really good about your most important ones are here, moving all the way down to the least important. And then, of course, you're going to go and get your results when you're done. You can see all of these, again, when you're done by going to My Portfolio, Sort and Assessment Results. And if you want to relook at them, for instance, I can select this one, Career Cluster Inventory, restore my answer set, continue, and it pulls it back up and lets me look at those results. So that's how what assessments you're going to do in MCIS, how to do them, and how and go and look at your results. Again, make sure you let me know by posting a question on the message board or asking if you have any questions.